What I need to put over there, so I can walk over there.
Okay. So wait. Hello. Okay. Yeah, I learn how to hide this. Okay.
I think Curtis as,
Mhm.
have you been getting into the discussion post?
Yeah.
Sorry, the short answer response like point one. I would get point one points on the written response ones, and then like he goes to my professor, he was like, what have you been getting? It's like every time there's a written response one, I will get point one points.
Mhm.
I think it's so stupid.
Um, you're talking about the advanced system design course, right? I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I can't say this on the meeting moment.
I put a camera on me, it's open now. Um,
But okay. So this is one of the Linux practice images. This is just for any like competition. So like CCDC and like Hivestorm, if we were doing it, it's kind of like this. You have an image, you have like a image, and you have some users, services, and you have to look for any vulnerabilities on it. There's like 15, and I'll go over some of them. There's also the friends questions. You're supposed to do those first. Hold on. I move this out the way. This is my little notes right here. This is the first one. There is an image file located on the downloads of one of the users on this computer. Your task is to find it and get the hash, the SHA hash. And to do that, so this command is very important. Like actually, also, um, make sure if you're trying to look for people things in like other people's home directory, you should have the sudo command. I think it's this image file. Okay. I think that's it. Let me go back and check again. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. So I'll explain like the command. So sudo, that makes me like the admin super user of the system. I'm Jay Muskington, so I'm admin, so I have access to that command. And this is just I use find to look for this file. This is the home directory.
Find search.
Hmm?
What is the difference between find search? Search for it.
Search. I haven't used search at all. I've seen locate. I've used locate before, but it's probably not installed. But it's easy to use locate. I'm pretty sure locate is just like locate any JPEG and it will like just find it for you. But like find is just in default on like most Linux systems. So it's just safe to go for that and just learn how to use that. So yeah, this is and it just searches for the home directory, like in it starts from home and it searches for any file in that in home. Like that's what that asterisk is for. And then dash type is just the type, which is like a regular file. And iname is just so it's not case sensitive. I'm pretty sure even without that, you don't really need it because the asterisk is just any file name that's a JPEG. But then you see it. You go here, you have this is the work directory of the file. So I'm pretty sure you just do SHA sum. Forgot if it's SHA sum or SHA like 256 sum. For some reason, my stuff is lagging. Well, I have to close some stuff. That's better. Not better. Hmm. Well, I'm gonna reboot this. Oh, wait. So there's a script that runs and creates malicious like hacker users on on the machine. I didn't want to get into that yet, but so I'll just do that now. Am I supposed to do that already? Let me check. Let me check. Hey, so, yeah, let me go find that file. So if you go to /etc and do ls, you'll see not malware.sh. You can also do that find command I did. You go all the way back to it. And just change this to .sh, like that .jpeg to .sh, and also remove this to just slash, so it looks for everything. Yo. And it'll just see like every file, and you'll see like that .etc file. But yeah, I thought I already broke it because I tried to take out the little shebang for the bin bash, but that did not work, and I didn't know that, so I'm gonna have to just remove that now. It's gone now. Now I have to delete all of those hacker users. There's like a million of them now. Holy shit, yo. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, well, I had a I had a thing I did here. I don't know if that's gonna work again. We'll check. Basically, what that script did was that it just create. I think I didn't put it here. It would go into counter.txt and then just keep going up by one, and then like As it's going up by one, it just keeps making another hacker user with, hacker 123 and then make their password. And then it would just like, oh, yo, it would just do that. Yeah. Did that. Okay. Yo. I don't know if you guys remember doing that code path, no, Pone College course when they were talking about like this right here, when you do like two into something. Oh, well, when you do like two and do like, I guess it's a greater than sign slash dev slash null, that just takes away like every error you get for running like a message and does that. Okay, let's see if it works. That's like really useful if you're trying to use the find command and you're trying to look for a lot of like a file and if you don't have sudo, it's gonna give you a bunch of error messages. So that's like a good way to like not see the error messages. All right, let's see if this works. I can't tell. Wait, did it? Yeah, a little bit. It did remove a dang it. Yeah. Yeah, it's working. Okay. Guess I got this run. Sorry. I didn't know it run that much. Yeah, you do that. Oh, yeah, I think so. Okay, they're gone. And through that, I gained points. And you see it on the scoring report, what you did. I don't know if I got points for removing that now. Yeah. Well, like 1 out of 15. I don't know if I got points for removing that file though. Like I'm supposed to. Remove that. We'll see. That's gone. That's all that matters. Okay. So back to what I was doing with the Shaw sum. Hopefully I could find it now. Actually, probably not. I'll do it again. Hold on. It's not letting me know. Okay. Just the other command. Ah, okay. It was always working. It just didn't want to tell me anything. That's a hash. And then you would take the hash, copy it, put it in this file, and save it. And then you gotta wait. Hopefully yeah, I got the points. It gives you it updates in real time. So that's the first one. This second one, it says a suspicious file named generator.sh has been downloaded onto the computer. Pretty sure that was the not malware file. Well, actually, no, it's already in the computer, but you can find it. So you find the website through Robux generator. It's right here. And there's a hidden secret on the website. So you just do the page source and it tells you right here. And then you copy it. No, just for the history. It's right here. Some of these like you have to like go into the browser and like look for stuff. Like sometimes I'll tell you to change a setting in Firefox or something. But yeah, it was just here. And I think you just copy this. Or maybe all of this. Forgot.
And what's the website and
Oh yeah, the URL. Maybe I'll grab this whole thing. Let's see. Maybe I put the wrong one. Let me check. Oh, I got it. Okay, that's the second one. That one, it took a bit. You just had to look at the history. Okay, this one is talking about after installing some hacking tools, the hacker decided to take a break and download some memes on the computer. So you have to go find it, and there's going to be a secret text file in the image. So it's under your it's in your documents. Oh, yeah, that would have been slash. That's fine. Okay, it's right here. Also, there's a secret text file too. You can do both of those. Pretty sure that's also another forensics question. I'll just do this one for now. So for this, you have to use StegHide. Think
that?
StegHide is like a steganography tool. Like steganography is like,
So like you can
yeah, you like
You can-
hide data in like text files. Remember we were doing that in CTF yesterday and we did like the little phone thing?
Yeah.
That's like a kind of like an example of steganography, but it's usually like like an image or like a text file that has extra data in it, like this.
sort of like on hindsight, you see an image, but behind it, well, it's information.
Like you do this.
It would have worked for like the eyes.
Hmm?
Remember the challenge last week?
Yeah, you talking about that one? No. Yeah, the dead mouse one. I forgot that one. Okay, actually, no, that one. You just looked at the IX. You just looked at the metadata for that one. I was gonna do seg hide on that one.
For video stuff.
For the video. Oh,
Message was embedded in video. So the guy said like go to the GitHub download the tool. I wondered if this tool would have to work.
probably not. Seg hide is like mainly, I'm pretty sure, just for like PDFs or like not even like P. It's like for JPEG files and like PNGs. But like a different tool would definitely work. So you do that, and then you see it got extracted to extract.txt. You would cat that out, and you'd get that message. And that's the message they want for this one. Wait, was it? Yeah. Okay. And this one says the hacker who gained access to the computer appended an insecure line into critical file for pseudo permissions. So in ETC, there's a file called sudoers, which is very important that you secure because if you don't, yo, okay. Hey,
Going VI
VI sudo is just for some reason sudoers has a different command. It's used to edit this specific file. So it tells you right here, like run v sudo as root to edit the sudoers file. And sudoers is just a file that, oh wait, yo, it's going down really bad. Hold on. Okay. I don't know if you saw it, but that's the file that's like the command we have to remove. But my computer's currently frozen. Yeah, we gotta wait for it. Hold on. Yeah, I have to take it slow. Hold on. Yo. Okay. No. No. Wait. I don't know why the image is lagging this much. I might just reboot it. Like actually. Okay, it's right there. Wait. No. Okay. Okay. So if you see it says defaults and it has this exclamation point in front of often authenticate, that means just you don't have to authenticate in sudo. So that means anyone could use sudo and get to root. And that's not secure at all. So you would just go and just remove this. So that's like a quick file to check. And I just did control K to remove it. And I saved it. And that's all. Oh, wait, I didn't. Dang. Yo, you don't even remember what I put. Yeah, okay. I don't want to skip this one. I'll just tell you that this one's annoying. So for that one, it's telling you there's a source code editor. It's where is it? I don't even know if it's showing me. It's Notepad plus plus. I didn't get it. I thought it was like something else, but it's just Notepad plus plus. And it's telling you to find the release key fingerprint of the source code editor and the key type and the date that the key expires. So I just did that all through Google. You would Google it or put it into ChatGPT and it would give you this key. So my, hmm? You just look up the release key fingerprint and then you can just look it up on like Notepad plus plus release key fingerprint and you would just find all of this. I don't really get like I don't know, I didn't really get this forensics question, but
Maybe you can go to like the official website and then click on download.
I don't even know.
What page? Yeah, this Notepad plus plus download.
Hold on. I want to see if I can even like
Yeah, it's right there.
yeah, find one here. I don't know if that's the same one that was in
That's
this.
a different version.
Yeah, it's a different version, but like when you find the version.
Yeah, let's go to the current version. Probably that's like the version. Have the signatures.
Yeah, find on here.
Yeah, download Notepad source code or current version. I'm gonna check the digest.
This one?
Yeah.
I'll just leave it. That's just completely kind of a little irrelevant. Just leave it. I was gonna leave that. I know. Okay, so let's go back to the secret file. So that secret file we found in documents. What were we? think it's because I put the slash in front of it. Yo. Oh, okay. So this secret file. Don't we did. I have to get the file attributes of this file. That's how you do it. Is it this one? Yeah, that was that. I would get file attributes, tag this to the secret file. Oh, it's my phone. And it would tell me when you run it normally, it tells you just like I think it just tells you to like go to users something, but then with this, it just opens everything. Like it makes it way easier to know what you're looking for, and it tells you there's a hidden file in the slash music, so you just go there and to find hidden files, you do LSLA and then cat that out, and then you would remove, and it would tell you like a hint to get some points, and this would say you must remove the unauthorized software and map. There's a few unauthorized softwares here. I think we have to still remove Notepad++, but whatever. Let's go to bin. Here you see, I think you can see Wireshark. Through bin, you can see Wireshark, and that's just like, they say like remove hacking tools, so I guess this one kind of counts. So you just remove that. Nmap is, I think, a little here, is it? No, Nmap's not here. To find Nmap, you would have to just look through all the package. So like apt list, and then scroll through this. Of course, you can like look through like installed packages, which I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to do. But this is just like a quick list of like the packages that you need to look for. And if it's telling you to like look for any like hacking tools, this is probably what you're gonna have to do. Just look through all installed packages and until you find one that is not supposed to be there. So it's like a lot, like Hydra, Nmap, Wireshark, those are like pretty easy ones. And there's like some other ones that just like seem like malicious. Okay, well, that's what I need to do. Uh, it's kind of like wait. Ah, okay. I don't know. Wait, never mind. I think that's why I did that. Never mind. Okay, there it is. Sorry. This shows all the installed packages that are you installed. So you see Wireshark, way easier to see Wireshark now because it's just like all the installed packages. This one takes a little bit to grep out though, but you see here, it's way easier to see. You have Nmap right here. You have Wireshark. You have Stack Hide if you would want to remove that. You could, but now you can see that. So here, you just do sudo apt purge, I think,
What's purge?
remove.
What does the purge command do?
Remove.
Gotcha.
And other distros, it might be different. Like it might just say like you might have to do remove. Other ones you might just have to do like I don't know, like tac F, tac X or something.
Mhm.
But for like this one, this is Ubuntu, just purge
Gotcha.
and
Different between purge and RM.
move RM. Oh, RM. Oh, you
Like
can't
RM dash.
you can't use that here.
So what's the difference between purging versus removing? Is what, yeah.
I think purging is just what the package manager uses to remove stuff, and removing is just for files. Yeah. I think I could let me see if I can try to remove. I'm pretty sure remove might work. Yeah. I just use purge. I think both work.
Yeah. A lot of times, depending on what VM you're using, will determine which keyword you'll use, but most VMs have
Yeah.
a keyword for the same function that any VM would have. Does that make sense? Like,
Yeah. Yeah, it's like in the kind of like bash RC, it's like some commands they'll just have like a nickname, like an alias. So they both can kind of work.
yeah, it's like the same thing with different programming languages. A lot of, I know,
Yeah.
So
I know. But you can think about it as any kind of language, English and Spanish, like it's the same shit. Like there's a word for the same function.
Oh,
I know one of my classes, my Java class,
Who teaches you for Java?
just. I've like only been to class once because like she puts it online because she can't make it. She does like Zoom for 5 minutes and was like, okay, here's this because I won't be able to go. So like I've only been to class once. And the one class I went to, she doesn't know what PEMDAS is. PEMDAS?
that's pretty
Oh,
cool.
us?
Yeah,
Well, she doesn't
and
know, is she American?
no, she's foreign.
Oh, then that's probably why. They probably don't.
I thought it was so funny, like, and she looked at me like, what the fuck did you say? I was like, yeah, PEMDAS, and I was like, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction, so she's teaching us PEMDAS. And I'm like, we learned this like years ago, but whatever,
She's teaching you PEMDAS?
yeah.
Why? Why did you teach
Because-
for operations? Yeah.
Because she doesn't know that we know order of operations.
Oh,
I'm just
because you're
slowly
not
like,
familiar with that.
yeah,
And your Java teacher?
yeah.
Really some students still bad.
Well, what's that class's name?
Oh, well, no, because no, I get it because they're trying to teach it through programming. I get why I get why she's doing that. Yeah.
She go this, so basically I just sat there like, I already know how to do all of this. So like that class is kind of useless for me. The other ones that we've been doing are fine, but the infotech fundamentals.
Okay.
Which is, I don't know if it's the same thing for the undergrad, but I was like, girl, you just wasted like 30 minutes of my time.
Masters yet?
Yeah, I'm doing the combined program. Accelerated,
Okay, and this is a bachelor's or master's, bachelor's level class,
it's both, it's,
and you're learning. Into semi-pro teaching.
You know, that's what I thought, right? I thought the same thing. And anyways,
it's first grad.
yeah, get used to that over here.
But I think it's work for grad and undergrad for the ISM classes. But it just counts as a credit.
Okay.
Whatever,
Listen, as long as you can sell it, as long as you can sell it in interview, that's all that matters.
Yeah.
even it's easy, but I was like, I came here to learn about this.
Do a master's now. That's all you gotta say. You gotta be able to sell it. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This matters more than that. No, it's okay.
sorry for interrupting, I just
All
thought
good.
that was so funny.
Yeah, I'm in the group file. It was saying it needs authorized administrators and users, and these are the ones that are there: J. Muskington, B. Zucker, and T. Slow. In the sudo or his group, there was C guy, and he's not supposed to be there. So you would just take him out and just replace him with the person who's supposed to be there, and that's how you get that point. And there's also the password for B. Zuckerman. You can just easily switch to that user using sudo. Oh wait. Oh wait.
You gain points.
Yeah. Oh wait.
When did you first start using this site?
Oh, I'm already the user. Never mind. What user? Wait, what's that?
This site, the site you have in the background, the ACIS?
This is for the practice images. This is like how they put their readmes
Oh, I got you.
in the file. That's how they get it here.
And you put up, you still have like the.
Yeah, readme and a scoring report. Yeah. I gained the points. Oh, I didn't even see I gained points. Okay. Yeah. I have to change this password. So I'm B Zuckerman now. So I could just do like password and just change it to something way better. Right now it's like money or something, right? Yeah.
When is this company?
Hmm?
When is this bulletin from?
The ActiveBox one, that's like in 3 days. It's like in 3 days.
In 3 days?
Yeah, it's on the 22nd, but it's running till the 26th.
Where are you gonna be?
I don't know. I'm trying to like try it out. I'm not really, I'm gonna try it out. I don't know how I feel about it. They're saying it's kind of like, was it HackerBox like recently acquired Let's Defend, so it's probably gonna be pretty interactive now.
Hmm.
So it's more for like kind of like a SOC job. If you want like a SOC analyst job, it's probably like what you're gonna look into.
Why have you tried?
Yeah.
Sucks.
Oh yeah, I do remember that. That's true. But I don't know, HackerBox has always just been better with that. So it's probably gonna be better since I have like Let's Defend. Wait,
Is it team based? Is it like is there a maximum amount of people you can have on a team type?
probably.
I'll look it up. But I'm genuinely curious. Is it a
No,
couple days long?
No, you're good. I remember we can't. Wait, how did you put it?
Yeah, I've probably seen something about 4 people's max, 4 players, 4 people max.
I think when we were making like a hack the box, I think you can have like anyone. Yo, how are they not matching? Yeah.
Are you gonna participate?
Probably not.
Probably not.
Yo, I'm typing the same thing.
You got homework or something, or are you just not interested?
I'm not interested in the online stuff like that.
As is.
Like, when's the first playing field deadline? The 11th?
Yeah.
The 11th of October?
Do presentations and work projects, and it's a bit of
Okay.
work.
Okay, I gained the points for like changing the password. So Linux knows if you're using like insecure password, and if you are, they'll probably like they won't tell you to change it, but you should change it, especially in these images. If you see like a password that looks like this, Linux knows it's usually like numbers and a special character and maybe something capital, and that should be good. That's about it.
You plan on going though?
Holzminkle? Oh yeah, I'm gonna be there. I think
I know you say you're
I
gonna.
was gonna like do the pipeline, but my mom, I forgot. She could like just give me a flight. I might just get a flight. She like works at Spirit. So I might just take me a flight.
She can fight.
Yeah, or yeah, give me something back there. So I save some money.
Sleep in my car. That's just kidding.
Whoa.
I was thinking about that. I was like, yo, I'm not paying for a hotel, dog. I'm eating Waffle House and I'm sleeping somewhere.
Honestly, I don't mind going 2 or 3 in.
Can we stay in a conference? Like,
It's not a conference, it's at the school, like in their lab.
Can we bring up, we'll be back to the school and.
Maybe I could like, because like I remember last time I went to like Orlando for something, I just slept in my friend's dorm, like on the floor. So like,
You got it, or that's a different story.
okay, yeah, that's fair.
Yes, a frat party.
There's a frat party you just hang out at, so.
Yeah,
That's
that's horrible. I don't want to go to. I don't think I want to sleep at a frat house.
Nah, I'm good.
Wake up and just they got marker on me.
All sorts of random smell.
They write marker on your face. Yeah, that's like you got to take a shower. It's like, oh, well, I'll step over this. Yeah,
That's disgusting, like there's black stuff all over the place.
yeah,
Like,
nah.
that's like my Kai house in Orlando,
I imagine so because
it's
like
disgusting, like,
Yeah,
different
nah.
videos of us like, literally, like, what is going on, there's missing walls, like, it's just seams.
I've seen
And then
one.
there's, the wall is gone,
Really?
and then there's
At
stairs,
what school?
UCF,
Okay.
Oh,
but this
I
is
used
like a Greek ghetto, this isn't like,
A Greek ghetto.
it's called Greek ghetto.
I'm dead.
that's actually what it's called.
Yeah, like that area that they're in, because they're not, there's only like 3 on campus, 3 brats on campus, one of them actually just got kicked off for hazing. But the other ones are all like in the, it's called, I think it's Greek
Forgot the
Ghetto.
password to
Greek-
this.
No, it wasn't Greek Pro, and they're all like run down apartment buildings.
Yeah.
That they've converted into frat houses, which is usually how it goes, but they're just so bad, if they do not take care of their stuff.
That sucks.
The rooms are rough too.
How have you seen this?
The ones with a frat party and everybody's just walking in and out of every single room.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm a whole 32 years old. That's old.
Yeah, the accidentally kicked the door open. I video of it, actually, it was so funny.
You're wild.
Not me, my roommates were.
I'm not going there, man.
I don't recommend.
Oh. For some reason, every time I try to do an exclamation point, it doesn't want to work for me. Are you interested in the CTF, Andrew? You know,
I am very interested. I want to do as.
I'm probably gonna compete because like we have, other Andrew, and he's pretty good. I'd say he's gonna be pretty good. He can hold his own, so he'll be able to help us out on that. So if you guys want to do it, I'll do it with him. I'll like bring him on.
First Blanco, UCF.
Yeah, he's gonna be able for like the hacker box, not horse Blinko. I don't think you can show up for that one. Okay, why don't we sign up? Yo. Oh, I forgot to remove those files. Oh, I'm rebooting this.
Insane. Just you trying to get to that. I don't know why, we're in frat boy.
Oh, damn.
Sorry, I like lost the password of the password I just made. I just forgot it. So I'm gonna log back in.
Password.
Yeah, it happens. Oh, no.
Some of these people are weird as fuck.
Now it's
Look at
my
this guy's face. That's tough, man.
It's serious.
The-
Okay, that's something you gotta watch out for. Okay, it's you.
With the bandana. and-
Because what do you do if he's on red team? You don't want to meet him on red team.
We need him on social engineering.
Oh no. Wait, I think I see the method.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Friday night crew. Holding it down over here.
Hey.
All right. So there's a little button right here. Side of the door. That'll lock the door. That may, I haven't unlocked it. Press the button. Lock behind.
Okay.
Yeah, so I wrote out a message. So.
Oh, from this room?
No, I was in like I don't know.
Do you know the story?
It was one of the like the little micro PCs
Yeah.
we were like gonna install in the room. We gave it to like I guess the staff and she like left it on a desk and one of the cleaning people took it and left it on a cart. And I guess they found the person and fired them. Yeah, that's what happened.
There's a little bit over 2,500 cameras.
Yeah, you're not smart right now.
And fired it. Was it somebody that worked here?
Yeah.
Many people.
But I just don't get why they left it on the cart.
I don't realize that. They act pretty stupid. We won. It's not crazy though.
Just walked with the camera and nothing in a bag, not in a bag, nothing.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what they're trying to do with it.
When was this?
That sucks, so, what?
No, like this, when did you start with that?
This must have been just this week, right?
Like a few days, like I think I heard about it like 2 days ago, a day or two ago.
Just, see,
All right.
you know,
Okay. Bye, Mike.
Yeah.
Okay.
The 11th.
So we gotta remove these files because it told you you're not supposed to be on this computer. It's supposed to be like a business environment, so it'll tell you to like remove these type of files. So you just remove these. You already have the working directory, so you just copy the directory, do remove, and wait. I think this one you need sudo. Yeah, it's in another home directory. Oh, it's lagging again. Wow. Okay. What else did I forget? Oh, crap about that. There was an extra user on the system. So if you look into etc password, you can see this user cpit. They're not mentioned on anywhere on this list of users or admins, so you would just remove them. And to do that, you would just use like user del. Sorry, gotta use sudo. And if you see this, that means they're gone. What else did I remember? I removed this script, but it's saying I didn't. But maybe because I broke it, it's saying I didn't get that point. Kind of like about the script. Oh, the last one, I forgot. So there's an active service on here. It's the firewall. This is on Ubuntu's firewall. It uses UFW. So to enable UFW, you would just do sudo UFW enable. That's it. Really easy. But if you want to learn how like what's going on it, hold on.
I get FF is firewall.
Hmm?
FW is firewall, but what's the?
I think it's unfiltered, unfiltered or something. I forgot that. I actually forgot. But like, yeah, that's just UFW firewall. It's like a really easy to do firewall if you're on like an Ubuntu system. Easiest firewall to like use. But for like for most Linux computers, you're gonna use IP tables.
Stands for uncomplicated file.
Yeah, uncomplicated firewall. Yeah, and
Complicated.
it's really uncomplicated.
It's very simple.
It's very uncomplicated. Like look, it's sudo applet. This is like the current things that you have on it. It's cups. That's for like a printer. And OpenSSH. If you would want to do that, you would just like sudo. What was it? App. I think like allow SSH.
I think that's now what it sounded like.
Yeah, kind of. What do you
Man
do?
walking up the stairs, didn't get their way.
You can just do that.
That'd be that's fine.
You can just do like allow, right? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I'm supposed to just allow us to allow it, but it's fine. I'll do it. But yeah, this is a really easy to use firewall. It's like for IP tables, we're probably just make a script on it and just give you guys the script, just like how to use IP tables in most of these challenges. So you don't have to really worry about it. But if it's like in Ubuntu, usually for these practice images, it just tells you to start it. It doesn't really tell you to do anything. Sometimes it might be broken, so you have to fix what's wrong with it. It's probably just IP tables. You have to like update it because the firewall's running off of IP tables, which this is IP tables.
Hmm.
Like this is IP tables. Like the really command-based firewall, it's usually on most Linux systems. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this image. The malware is gone. It just isn't showing up on here. And the fifth one, we covered it. I just don't want to do it. It's annoying. That's it for this image. And I'm gonna try to go over the Windows one. Any questions on the Linux one though? If anyone wants any questions. This is like what we have. I can go over back and like how I did this, I did that, you know. You good? Good. Hmm? Oh, yeah. You good?
Yeah.
All right. You good, Sydney?
If I need to, I'll just later watch the Zoom.
Okay. I still don't know. I can post this right up because this is mine. I can send it to you guys.
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
you,
You wrote this?
yeah.
Hell
Oh,
yeah.
that'll be so much easier than this.
So how long does it take you?
Huh?
How long does it take you?
Like an hour or two.
To do this whole write-up?
Yeah, like it was based off someone else's like right up. Like the way they did it, I just used it, did it kind of how they
Or
did
use
it.
their format?
Yeah, and like I just did it. This only has like 15 vulnerabilities. It's not a long image. I just one with like 80 that I'm still stuck on. The shit is literally at like 100 vulnerabilities, but like this one's pretty short and it's pretty simple. So
Do you feel like this, have you gone to Horse Placo before?
no, I'd never been to UCF, but when I go there, I'll be.
Go there. Right there.
When I go there, we'll see. I think this is just preparing you. It definitely does prepare you for horse Blanco
Yeah, so it
because
seems like.
like you're getting used to like kind of like how like to set up like a firewall. You're getting used to the config files. There's another one that the Narnia craft server you have to like mess around with the SSH file or I'll show you it. Yeah, it's called like Narnia craft, like a Narnia Minecraft server. So you like mess with like a Minecraft server file and all that. So you'd go to
Yeah, some images of like certain things that I know. I was doing one that was like Half-Life.
that one fucking sucks. That's
Yeah,
no
I
like
like the game.
like Half-Life, it's a really like old source
It's
game.
okay. Have you played that game?
Oh.
Oh,
The
Half-Life.
remake, this Metal Gear
Hey,
Solid 3?
that's pretty old.
God, it's well, it is an old series, but not an
I
old
played a
game.
little
Like
bit
the
of it.
original Half-Life, yes, but like the
Yeah,
series,
me neither, but
yes,
very
it's
excited
old,
about
but
it.
it's getting a new release soon.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, never mind then.
What is?
There's something like very, very far into development called Half-Life. It's HLX, I think it was called.
I remember the VR one came out.
Yeah, VR in 2020.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. They are still doing stuff.
Holy shit.
It's true. Yeah. Okay, so this is the SSH config. This is and you can see like you can change the port it's running on, where it's listening. Here you can change other stuff like the login grace time. For here, permit root login. This should pretty sure this should be on. No, this is all that should be on no. You can't. You don't want people to log in this root on SSH. Um, publicly authentication. This varies from image to image or like this what you want. I'm thinking for CCDC. Some teams have like their own like SSH kind of like cold key like rotation thing going on. Like, yeah, it's insane. I don't know if we'll get there. I don't even know if we need it because I've seen some teams or regionals just use a basic, pretty like just a few scripts. So I don't know if we'll need like an entire like rotate these keys and everything. That's probably more for like nationals, when you're managing like 30 systems or like even regionals. I think the jump from like CCDC regionals, I mean, qualifies for regionals is pretty crazy. I think we go from like 8 systems to like 30. Yeah, like pretty jump. But like, I don't know. I don't think we really need to do that yet. Yeah, that's public key authentication. There's also password authentication. So it's either or. If you need it. If you're using passwords, use it. If you're using public key, use that. And also make sure to have permit empty passwords on no, because you don't want people to log into root with no password. So that's like basics SSH stuff. Also, I think X11 forwarding needs to be on no, pretty sure. That's like a slight vulnerability. Oh, you haven't seen this yet? I kind of forgot about this. There's this config file. This is like kernel hardening. It's like a kernel like hardening config file that just has a bunch of stuff you should put in there. Let me look. I have it here. Yeah. Wait, no. Okay. This is like stuff you're probably gonna put in that file.
Are you suggesting that there's people that commit these 200 something lines of code to memory?
No.
Because that's kind of, I was gonna say.
No. This is a script. On TCDC, you get scripts. Like you running your scripts. Also, you have like a prep. You have like 10 minutes prep time to like run your scripts and everything. So you should be fine. So just have these in your script. You should be okay. So like this is like like TCP SYN cookies, so you don't get hit with a SYN flood attack, SYN-ACK flood attack. Um, for sure. Like some of these are just for like routers. Um, for log files, IP forward. You want to make sure to say like IPv6 is always disabled. You want to make sure that's disabled on your firewall and in here because they don't use it on competition. It's only IPv4.
Mhm.
What else? Symlinks, yeah, you need these if that's not protected, symlinks and hardlinks, stuff like that. But like these are the type of things you just kind of like aren't gonna remember or really like know about unless you just do an image and it just shows you like, oh yeah, you're supposed to put this in there. So if you need to like know what to put in, just like copy this and just put it in this file. And when you're done, I'm pretty sure you do like sudo sys, that could be. I think that's what you put in there, if I remember. And I should just print everything out. That's it for that one. I'll go over this image for now. This is a Windows image. We need some people for Windows. I'm not a Windows person yet, but it's all right. I've been kind of like this image. It's okay. They're more like the guys really like put more personality in the images. Like watch when this loads, you'll see. Like you see like it like has like music in it.
It's too early. No, if we haven't broken out, yeah.
They started putting out Christmas stuff in addition to Halloween.
Yeah, just.
Already?
In October.
Yeah, Halloween has some stuff already.
That's not. I don't think I like that. So this is
Just broke down in South Soda.
Why are they
Yeah.
counting sand? No.
yeah, that's how like these like Windows ones are. They're really like
Oh.
very way different.
I think that's the point.
Because I didn't, I grew up north and I always wondered what it was like. Christmas, yeah, Christmas in like a tropical like climate, yeah.
We have no like. Where'd you grow up?
We had the 50.
What's that?
Where'd you grow up?
Like northeast, New York.
Well, so you actually had snow. We never had snow here. I remember watching Home Alone. I'm like, but we got no snow. I'm mad because like they're going in the snow, having fun, throwing. I'm like, man, we got no snow here. It just gets like 50 degrees, and we just put a jacket on and just stay in the house all day. Like no one goes outside.
I think it reached.
Honestly, I like going out when it's chill.
That's fair.
For my ninth grade year.
Yeah.
Yeah, Christmas time here is rough. I mean, it gets like 60s, which is nice.
So it's rough, why
Yeah,
do you say that?
because it's not like, I want it colder and it's not colder. And then it goes up like last year. it went to
I mean,
60. I was like, why are we 60 in April? We need like 60 in October.
Okay. Just wanted to
Is
hear.
that the Gucci Mane?
It's like
Is that the Gucci Mane Christmas?
I guess it is. Okay. So what was this one? Oh, this is wrong.
Have you heard of this? Have you heard of the Gucci Mane Christmas album?
Is that actually the Gucci Mane? I didn't even.
Here, turn up a little bit, let me see, let's see. Oh, no, this is Soldier.
Yeah, I heard Soldier Boy. I was like, no, it's not.
I
Okay.
thought that, yeah.
Yeah. Wait. Let me put on this
Okay,
README
put the
to show you.
Yeah.
This is the README for this Windows
Yeah, I got
image.
fasting.
You are a
But
new
front is the really
state.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and then you have to put the week after.
Yep, always.
Oh, cars and coffee
Carson Coffee where?
on the 12th, Rick.
Oh, okay.
The cars are nice, the coffee's not.
Really? You've been?
Yeah, I went to one in July. With my dad.
Mm-hmm. You and your dad be hanging out a lot. Are you an only child?
No,
Okay.
my sister's gone. She moved out. She's in Jacksonville. I hang out with my mom more.
Yeah,
She's in Jacksonville.
okay.
But like I'm the one that I rather hang out with my parents than my friends.
That's
Look
cool.
at her face.
That's cool. That's real. That's real.
Yeah,
Well, my friends are shit.
really? That sucks.
So like it's kind of just turned me towards my parents. Cause like, yeah, we get mad at each other, but you know, like you're still stuck on me.
Yeah.
That's fair.
The opposite of my family, my family kind of shitty.
Mm-hmm.
My feelings too.
Like, they're not like abusive per se, but they have flaws and they don't really acknowledge them, so.
Oh, they have flaws and they're like, well, we're not changing, you have to change. And I'm like, oh. So we have our issues, but you know, me and my dad do like car and tech stuff. So because this like, club is all tech, I talk about him more. My mom is more like I go shopping, we watch the like romance movies together. Like we have our things that we do.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
It's good to have culture.
It's nice. Chilling. That's good. That's like movie night or something?
Yeah, Friday, yeah, well, not movie nights per se, Friday night, it's like all of us together. Except today, I'm not gonna be home, but like my dad goes racing, because he sim races, and then me and my mom will like watch our little
Wait.
like Life with the Walter Boys and all
Oh,
that.
he actually goes to race, or he's like in the house?
Sim racing,
Oh, like a little cart. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool.
it's a cool setup, it's insane. He got a race car to go race, and then COVID hit, so then he started sim racing because we couldn't leave the house, and now that's all he does,
That's cool.
that's his hobby.
I see people with the sim race kids. I don't know. That's for me, but it's interesting.
You said your dad works in tech, right? What's his position?
He's a senior consulting, and he's a network engineer.
I got you.
What was it? Oh, yeah. It says, congratulations to your newly hired slave. You
Oh,
have
yeah.
been tasked with securing Santa's Windows 10 computer. He's a pretty weird guy, so be wary of what you find on his computer. As per usual, Santa expects that all his reindeer follow the strict no media rule. Santa also expects that there will be no hacking or unauthorized programs on his computer. Here's a word of warning. Them reindeer can be wild sometimes. The default browser is Microsoft Edge. Like I said, Santa is whack. Rudolph went wild and deleted one of the users. Make sure to add them back. Oh, dang, I didn't even know about that.
That was good.
Yeah. So here, this is just like a service. I don't even think you're supposed to touch this. Hey, what? Oh, the reindeer. I don't even know. Sadly, the wallpaper isn't working. There's a wallpaper.
What is that? Sit, what?
I don't even know. There's supposed to be a different wallpaper. We didn't even see it yet. It's like worse.
Space.
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, through that, you know, you gotta do the founder's questions first. And this is the one saying, as a temporary file server solution during a backup of the workshop resources, the system was configured to share c:/workshop anonymously throughout the whole network. What is the configured share name for this resource? And then it's also asking, according to the share permissions of the server, what permissions have been configured for all users. So this is a SMB share. So in PowerShell, you would look it up with get dash SMB share. Oh wait, yeah. And you see two paths. You see the admin right here, and then you see Goody. And that is the SMB share that was made temporarily and shared to everyone that like showed, the workshop path. So here, I think yeah, access. You get SMB share access. And remember to add the $sign. That's really important. Wait, never mind. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Yeah. So here it shows you all of the rights it gives you. It gives you allow and full. Oh, wait. I didn't answer the first one. Did I? But yeah, allow and full. So I think you just do that. Let me actually. That would be the answer for this one. I already submitted that answer, but I don't know. And then this is like a whole different one. This one's way interesting. So at Santa's workshop, communication is very important because of this. The elves decided to implement bulk instant messaging through Win SMS. During a security audit, extremely permissive file permissions were enumerated and identified in the Win SMS installation directory. These permissions can allow an unprivileged users to execute arbitrary code with system level privileges. And according to this ACL of Windows program files x86-1, what is the SSDL string? So it's just like a bunch of gibberish, but like you like throw that into was it Gemini, ChatGPT if you don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on here, but it was like a whole walkthrough for this. Right here, you would do this command, get ACL program files x86 when and then dot SDDL, and that would give you this whole string. Oh wait. Oh wait.
Yeah, I have to left click and manually copy it in.
It won't let me do that on this one.
Now,
No.
Try
Oh,
Howard over and then
I,
like
I swear. Oh, I thought it. I swear I did that. I swear I was like, I remember being able to copy and paste last time I was on this, but whatever, I'll just type it in. One thing about PowerShell is this, I kind of like it. It's kind of like, I don't know if you guys like, well, most people here are like programmers, like Camel Case? Yeah, it reminds me of Camel Case, kind of like how things are going with like the text.
Mhm.
That's interesting. Anyways, I'll just say like if you can do Linux, you can definitely do the Windows ones. PowerShell is honestly kind of interesting. I like it.
you try and use like an action for scheme.
Yeah, there's
What?
this.
Like how certain password see followed by like a verb.
And that's how that would go.
Okay,
So you get like something.
yes.
Yeah, that's how that one would go. Um,
Checking now.
Yeah. Okay, honestly, fucking with that. But-
Close the door. Because I think this is a pain point.
Joe.
We're doing that a lot.
this is NetStat. This is to use to like check anything, I guess, connected on your local address that is listening in on these ports. What port was? I think this port was malicious. It's like very high and honestly kind of weird. So you would just look at the process ID and see what's wrong with this one. But I'll go back from that and just kind of do the net users. So here we have Dasher and Santa and all these people. We got to make sure these people are admins. Like, yo, actually don't even remember who's an admin yet. I think Santa's not an admin.
Hello,
Yo,
Hello.
I was hoping to reset my Duo to a new device.
Yeah.
it'd be like that.
Yeah, this is the wrong number.
Gemini give you the.
Alright,
Yeah, you're good.
alright, peace.
Deuces.
Yo, I hit ignore. I hit ignore. I literally tapped ignore and it still went through. Okay. All right.
So have fun with it.
Didn't want to waste this time. Kind of sound like John. I thought it was John calling in. It's like, wait. Okay. What was it? Oh yeah. I should have. Wait. Oh. So apparently the user Santa is not active, and you had to do this command to look and add him back. The thing is like it doesn't really tell you how to look to see if he's, bless you, is not active in the first place, and that's kind of my gripe with this. This is also, I guess, how you would make a. Oh, that's cool. Never mind. Okay, so I guess it's how we're gonna make Cupid. That's cool. Oh, okay, that's not bad. All right. Okay. Wait, they play something. Some images like play something when you gain points and when you lose it. So you might have like on a Linux one, you might just have like an alarm going off like every 10 seconds because you're losing. If you're like losing a service, sometimes it'll give you like points off. So yeah, like say like your SSH server stops running in a minute, it'll like deduct points for that. So it's kind of like trying to simulate the whole like keeping your things up type of thing with this.
If a portion of our system stops working, is it always because another team is trying to, either another team or whoever's like in charge of like
Mhm.
trading systems, is it because they shut it down?
No, sometimes it could really be you. Like you probably messed with the config files in the wrong way. Or, but yeah, a lot of times it could just be red team. And also the worst chance is like not it's like just like the error of the competition. Like when we were doing the first PCTC, our passwords, we had like I think it's because we had like at files, like the at when you're doing like email. I think that's like that and like some exclamation points didn't parse well with the HTML. We didn't get our like password read like set up and no one could read or ping our stuff, our services, so we couldn't really get scored for them. So yeah, we're not gonna do that anymore. I'm thinking about like you're saying that short four phrase words are like the best passwords. So I'm probably gonna do like I don't know. Like like how like Apple gave you like a random secure password. It's like two words and like some number. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It's just like four words, like a
And you're
number.
saying we should avoid certain symbols?
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. Because you don't know how they're because you don't really know how they're gonna put it up there. I would just do like one, two, three, or like some numbers and maybe like an exclamation point. Don't go too much after that
Okay.
because it might not work.
You like bear, and then change the E for a 3.
What type of symbols,
It's time to get his cuts.
what type of symbols are you suggesting don't parse well? Is it anything?
I don't even know what they didn't really tell us why it's like happened. I used like an exclamation point and like the at sign and maybe a hashtag or something. Like we just used like ChatGPT to like make us a secure password, right?
I see.
And it like gave us like, random stuff.
Sure,
So it was like literally random stuff.
sure.
And yeah, that just didn't go
Why
well.
not?
Yeah. So like it's just way better just like a bunch of passwords. Like first off, we're gonna get our password list like already done beforehand, give you guys a password list and like rotate. It's way better. Yeah. So for this, we got the Santa account. Cupid account. What I'm trying to figure out is like, what you see here, it's saying like you can see like the account is disabled, but I want to check like how do you know that? So I'm gonna check Copilot, which is what you're gonna have to do. So I feel like a lot of people type fast over there. Oh, yo, I hate this.
And that's where, oh, at
The competitions. Yes. This guy at UCF has like 100 words per minute or words per something. This guys go, I can't, it's not fun. Okay. Okay, that's a quick way to do
I
it.
remember my cousins, I still him.
that's great.
Too much.
He's been doing that since he was like. So,
Mhm. Do you guys follow any like tech influencers on YouTube or anything like that?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
There's this guy Primogen who I follow.
I don't know
he's
that.
like,
Yeah, bro, he's
He's a
fast
ninja.
as fuck, dude.
He's a
Like God.
that's like one of those like elite beginners or stuff.
Exactly.
He does everything on the keyboard. He doesn't even use a mouse.
Yeah, you see, Rudolph isn't supposed to be there, so you would have to remove him. He might be admin, but you do like, I guess, net user. Okay. This is not bad. Okay, I'm like, hey, man, I kind of like PowerShell.
I
Yeah.
love this. I love my food off.
So there's also, you know, when we were talking about the media files. So you know how in Linux you just go over and like use the find command. I guess in Windows, since everyone kind of already knows where to look, it's a little easier. So you can go to this, you can go to users, and you can like check users for like their photos. I've seen people do this. I don't know if you're supposed to though. Is it here? Oh yeah. This is an MP3 file. It's not supposed to be there, but what's the
Those hands. Just
yeah.
imagining them like listen to it at a club.
Yeah, you just remove it like that.
Oh, I'm excited for half the bill and more going to be.
Not even that cold outside for it.
Yeah.
That's what's getting me. Like you can't
The simulation.
like you
is
just that's
going
what I don't like
crazy.
about it because it's like you're like pretending like it's very cold
You
outside.
cannot resist.
You putting the AC down. I understand. It's just not gonna be that cold. Like I've seen people run out in shorts. That's fair.
Well, that's what I'm excited for. Because right now, I don't go outside like that. Too hot.
What is they're down already?
Because it's cold in here.
Oh. Wait, but I thought you liked the cold. Wait.
I do like the cold,
Okay.
but I said I'm too hot and he goes, you're wearing a sweatshirt, so. Yeah. But as soon as I walk out of this room, it's coming off.
Have any of you guys taken data structures and algorithm yet? Algorithm yet?
I'm
No.
taking it right now.
You're taking it right now? Woohoo.
Where is this?
You got it?
Yeah,
Okay. In what language?
Python. Thankfully not R. I don't feel like learning R, and frankly, R is probably less useful to me.
Yeah, overall. Sure.
Yeah, but I'm not really doing
Is that like a ISM class or?
No, probably a CS class.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
There is a teacher that was supposed to like, oh, okay, there is no photo. Okay.
I think.
Oh no, there is.
There's
Shit.
a data structures class and I
What
think
the
C++.
fuck?
I have a C or C++, but I scoured the web for the Python one. I
So.
was not about to do that shit.
Pisses me off is like, I feel like if you're gonna do a cybersecurity like concentration and minor, they don't include that class as one of them to do.
Really?
Yeah, they only include the SQL databases and then,
There it is. I found it.
But it's in Python. and C++.
Well, Hey, man, I did not take this major because I knew it was gonna be technical. I took it because I needed a major. I already knew what was going on. I looked, I was like, we're not doing shit. Okay, I'll take it.
He said, "We're not."
I literally took this because I knew we weren't doing anything. I was like, I'm gonna like find something to do to actually spend my time on and just use this
That's
for the
valid, yeah.
degree.
Mhm.
Yeah, there's definitely some useful like stuff that you talk and like there's like some I like some of the professors, but like overall it's not really setting you up for cybersecurity at all.
It's not.
Not at all. Not even in the
It's-
slightest.
Yeah, I felt bad. They're like, oh, you guys should, and I'm like, I'm not like, that's gonna help me. Like. This, I mean, it's like basic stuff, but none of it's actually helping me. Like I told John yesterday, I was like, there's no
I don't even
whole
know.
like client project, was essentially great, it's like a whole project. That's cool.
You put that on your LinkedIn?
I put it on my GitHub.
Okay.
So, yeah, this one's going over apps. Just install that. Uninstall the apps aren't supposed to be there. The default was supposed to be Microsoft Edge. Take away Firefox. Take away.
So the two classes that I can see.
There's another one.
They're not available.
This is also supposed to be gone. Apparently, you have to get that one.
Well, the classes aren't even all generated yet, right?
I don't think that I had a time,
I get it.
You have to uninstall Discord and also go into app data and look for it in app data.
And this is all in the virtual machine you're in right now?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let me just look for it. I don't know if you delete this whole thing. Check. Yeah,
Oh, you just got the points.
yeah. Let me check what I got.
That's cool that this is set up like this, though.
Yeah, I like it. It's honestly not bad. I kind of like this. We don't really have many people from Windows that kind of like stayed after the competing, so I don't really know how it would look at from there. And like Aroha is probably like the only person we could like ask to see like how it all. Hmm?
John did some window as well.
Who? You?
John.
No, John. Oh yeah, John. Yeah, I forgot. John did some. We did help. We have John on like CCDC on Windows. Yo, he wasn't happy, man. I could see in his face.
What's up?
What do you
I
want to do?
guess,
Stop is crazy.
Yeah.
I guess I do need to download the Fusion, do I?
No, you don't know. You don't need to download. Oh, if you want to do the VMs on this computer. Oh,
Yeah.
yo.
Is that a Mac?
No, this one's running Kali. This is for like CTFs, but wanted to
Okay.
Why?
don't do it.
It just says loading.
Don't do it. Just get it. Well, you have Fusion. Well, you can't get Fusion on it?
But it won't let me download the Kali Linux. It'll just let me, I have the Ubuntu one.
Are you downloading like the ISO or are you downloading like a pre-made like VM?
Yeah,
Oh, I don't know then.
I don't know, my guys will look at it later.
Okay.
Okay, so don't do it. Okay.
Try it out. Try it. Try Fusion. Oh, actually, I think VM Workstation
Give it
Pro
back.
works for Linux too. And I just have a link for it. I forgot to send it back in the chat. It's somewhere.
You have the ISO?
This is loading. It's not.
Wait.
sleep.
Did you try to do it at home?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to.
Wait,
Really?
when did they do this? Oh, that was it there. Oh, I don't know that. Damn, I should have said happy birthday to them. I don't know what that is. Okay. If you look in chat, I'm gonna send that's the VMware workstation link that we're gonna use
Yeah.
for any virtual machine. That's that I guess what you're gonna use for Linux too. So try that one out.
Try to fill out folder.
So right. I mean, sweet.
Okay, bye.
Oh, great. Great. Great.
So it says something not persistent.
That's weird.
Yeah. or-
Okay. So this one's showing you how to look for like a backdoor, and this it's like the same thing for Windows or Linux.
Mhm.
So doing netstat and you just like search all N and O. I should do a little bit more of an explanation on the ports, but I'm pretty sure that this port right here that's very malicious. Well, yeah, it is that one. It's like very high, and then do that. You would just do, I think, you look at the PID, so you see the process ID. So I think you just do like, yeah, get process ID. Mm. Okay. And you see it, this is set up. This is the process for the WinSMN, like that'll, I guess the messaging app they're trying to do in this image.
Yeah, the SMS setup.
Yeah. So I guess yeah, you'd have to think what? Oh, you do this long command to find the executable path, and through that you would stop the process. Okay. Well, you can stop the process right now and I guess look for it. But I'm pretty sure like you don't even have to do that because you can just look for it.
Mhm.
So I'm just gonna like stop the process.
The robot doing kickboxing.
What happened? A robot didn't keep. Yo, it's over. You serious?
Trying.
Yo, it's over. You really doing kickboxing?
Literally kicked
Let me
full
see it.
blast. Still standing. Look at that.
Oh, he's taking it. Yo, it's over.
Bro.
Yo, he actually took the kick.
Oh,
Yo, he actually took.
give it like 10 years.
Yo,
Ooh,
wait, he actually took that kick.
It's a hard kick too.
Oh my God.
damn.
So imagine you. Okay, but normally, okay, but you're gonna be shadow boxing with the
Yeah,
robot.
but he's made out of like metal, bro.
But you're gonna
Because-
okay, but when the robot pull up, you and then he's trying to like, I can teach you everything I know. He's
yeah,
gonna know.
it's not like I can like
He's gonna have
put
like
him on like
Bruce Lee's DNA like injected into his mind and then start hitting you crazy like
You
yo,
gotta train him on those Eat Mom movies.
yo, it's
Those little
over.
jump-
He's
You
like,
seen those movies, bro?
yeah, he's gonna be crazy with
Fucking
it.
fire, bro.
Okay, stop the process. Okay, go to
How did you
program
guys start
file.
working here?
Me?
Yeah.
I just saw it. Wait.
like on his post.
Yeah, like in the email, I found like a post and I was like, what's this? I just applied to there.
That was a while back, huh?
Yeah, a few years ago. Like, cause like I was my first semester, I was trying to work for the help desk, and like the manager for it was like the instructor for my class, and I was just like, let me in, man.
Yeah.
She was not fucking with me. It's like, oh,
She
okay.
was not fucking with you.
No, she's not fucking with me at all. And I was like, okay, it's okay. And I just like, it's fine. And then I just saw like I just saw like this job for AV, and I was just like, they're just like, yo, can you do you know anything about computers? I'm like, yeah, I know some things with my computer. I fixed my computer a bit. What's it called? I like set up some speakers.
Mhm.
I broke my like PS4 controller and fixed it back. I did some stuff like that. I know my way around some
Mhm.
machinery. And then I got the job. I just interviewed. It was pretty calm. Like hyped it up a little bit. They're like, okay, we're gonna like do some computers. We got our programmer right here. It's not it's not the job. It's kind of funny though. You didn't have to lie to me. I would have took it anyways. It's IT.
I felt like it.
It was funny. But yeah, it was
What
a
about
good
the job you're doing now?
not like a little different. It's like I'm upstairs and all I'm like you're like managing a lot of computers. Like you're like helping out with like the management of the computers. You're messing with like
Commandment?
no, not really, not really. I'm still help desk. It's like help desk level 2, kind of in a
I
way.
got you.
It's like you're you get the tickets and we have to like manage like the computers around the school and we like help out with like the systems team
Mm.
and like enroll computers. Like we have like these loaner laptops that we give to and people who work at the campus that don't have that is like their computer broke or something. They
Yeah.
need a laptop really quick. So like we're like setting that up right now, wiping it. It's like you're wiping it, rearranging computers, you're wiping them, and you're like running like this PowerShell script
Mhm.
to enroll into like our cloud services.
Mhm.
And then I'll have like all like the group tag names and everything. So like it's all like put in and getting updates and it's all good.
I got you.
It's all like kind of like
And you
automated
work
and
with
stuff.
Nora?
No, I work with Aroha upstairs and some other people. Aroha was oh yeah, Norm was like for the cybersecurity internship. That was like uh this summer. Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
How was that?
It was like a kind of like a rotation. I work with like people in the systems department, and people networking, which was, and then the last rotation was just kind of short, which was was security. So I got it through because I know one of the units the systems department.
Mhm.
So he messaged like the whole executive part of this building.
And he was like, yo, let my master type shit.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's
So
cool. You plan on leveraging that? Yes, you should, bro. I should definitely leverage that. Both of you should.
Leverage what?
What position?
Oh yeah. Yeah, of course.
well, I already have something lined up.
Oh, you got something lined up?
Yeah, run off the road.
That's
Oh,
good.
word. Okay, so say less. Maybe a little more, say a little.
So one,
If you want, you know what I'm saying?
I'll say, I'll give it its top secret.
yeah.
One of
It's
those.
TS, huh? Is it TSSCI or is it just TS?
It's TS. Okay.
That's cool.
Oh, here we go.
On again. Hello?
Oh, like,
Hello. Okay.
I'm calling, unit service.
yeah, how you doing?
Yo, this is the wrong number.
Sorry?
The right number is 561-297-3999. This is the wrong number.
Wait. 561
297-3999.
573
Wait, 399.
Who am I on the phone with?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah,
Am I speaking with FAU?
you
No.
are, but this is not the correct number. You probably got this number from like AI or you looked it up somewhere, but unfortunately they posted the wrong number. So the correct number is 561
297-3999.
297.
561 297
Yes.
3999.
3999. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yo, can't even like turn off the phone.
I kind of like it. It breaks up the, you know.
Oh, it's just like randomly.
It's kind of distracting though, isn't it?
Yeah, but I mean, we won't be here for the competition, so it's not that bad. Just like, wait, what the?
You,
I don't see. Wait,
What's your name?
Yeah.
Hey, Ben.
did you go to the other building or the other room? The whole,
Have you been in the other room? It's like right down the hall.
I
Small room.
sound no.
Okay.
yeah, that's where we usually go for.
yeah.
It's in
The
the
one
other
at the
side.
back.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's where we usually go.
it's a big closet, a lot of computers.
Hmm.
It's perfect job simulation.
I can imagine.
Beautiful.
Is it like a server room or is it just?
No.
No.
Mike did walk us through the server room now.
That was cool.
Yeah, and there was like a basement inside a basement inside a basement with this one Asian guy. And I'm just saying, it was perfect.
Something about those names.
Yeah, I'm saying, bro. It was perfect.
Down.
Cause he had his whole setup there and I'm like, live here, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, it's isolated too, so nobody comes in there.
That's honestly like,
It's like a sanctuary.
that's so chill. That's
I
that's type of
remember-
job. Yeah.
I wasn't burning candles.
True.
Like,
I remember when
exactly.
Dark person people. What's
What were you
that?
saying?
All right, this one I don't know what's going on with it.
Let's see which.
That's a wish.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, have you never heard of
Maybe I
music
can.
that curse someone politically?
What's going on here? What's going on here?
Rabbit hole.
We got witches are real.
I believe that.
Who are we talking about? Somebody local, somebody social media?
Yeah. Well, this is just what I saw. I don't know if it's.
Oh, it's talking about, oh, we're up there.
Wait, Etsy, what the website?
Yeah, like someone like
Oh, somebody's like selling like
bought the
service
services
to get, okay.
to like curse somebody. Like was like, oh, can you hex them or can you curse them?
Wow.
Like, oh, so this is real.
Yeah, please don't curse me. Bless me, please. Thank you.
No. Oh my God, did you see? I think this is messed up. No longer, are we speaking?
We are speaking.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, we're so sweet.
Never mind.
In case anybody in the future.
Sorry, I'm just really trying.
Click this in and see.
And the T. Come on,
No, there's only one
this
person.
is the audio file.
Okay,
Okay, real talk.
it's gone. Finally. I didn't get no points for that.
So I have never run into a situation in my life before, but